So the question here says find the slope of the given line. Find the slope of the given line. So we want to find the slope of this given line so that, and whenever I'm told to find the slope of the given line, I want to solve for y so that I will leave the equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, which is y equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So b is the y-intercept. So I'm told to find the slope of the given line. I want to solve this equation to be in this form, which is called the slope-intercept form. So what I want to do is copy the equation 7x minus 8y is equal to -1. So I want to copy that equation first. Then I want to isolate y, so minus 7x on both sides. So 7x will cancel 7x, and then I have -8y is equal to -7x minus 1. All right, so the next one is to divide all through by the coefficient of y. Divide all through by the coefficient of y. So divide all through by -8. So -8 divided by -8 divided by -8. I'm going to change this to this side. Therefore, -8 divided -8 is going to be y. -7 divided -8 is 7/8x plus 1/8. So the question told me to find the slope. Find the slope. So the slope of the line is 7/8. The slope of the line is 7/8. The slope is always the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is 7/8. The y-intercept is 1/8, and I'm not told to find the y-intercept. So that is question number 1. Find the slope. Find the slope of this line. First of all, the equation is in standard form, and I have to solve the equation to be in slope-intercept form so that I can find the slope. So the first thing to do is, if the equation is in standard form like this, convert the equation to slope-intercept form in this form, then find the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is the slope. The coefficient of x is the slope of the line. Okay. So that is number 1. Let's go to question number 2. I'm going to clean. So let's clean up and then find question number 2. So I want to grab this and make it move. So the next question says find the slope of the line determined by the following equation. So first of all, I want to rewrite that equation in slope-intercept form. Remember that slope-intercept form is equal to y into mx plus b. This equation does not have x, so I want to rewrite it in slope-intercept form anyway, so first of all, I want to rewrite it as, let me divide both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by -2. So I have y is equal to -9/2. Well, I want to rewrite this equation in slope-intercept form first. So y is equal to 0x minus 9/2. Y is equal to 0x minus 9/2. So I have rewritten the equation in slope-intercept form, which means that the slope of the line is 0. The slope of this line, slope, is equal to 0. Y-intercept is -9/2. The slope of the line is 0. So that is question number 2. So let's go to question number 3. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 says, find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through the following points with a given slope. Simplify. So I'm asked 2 questions here. I'm given a point and a slope, and I'm told to find the equation of the line. So first of all, I'm told to leave my equation in this form: y equal to mx plus b. I can actually plug in the slope here and find y. So there are 2 ways I can do this. So I can actually say, plug in the slope first. So y is equal to 3/4x plus b. Then substitute the points. The first point is x. Second point is -1. So when x is 0, so when x is 0, y is -1. -1 is equal to 3/4. Then I put 0 here. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to find b because I don't know b. So I'm trying to find b. So this goes to 0, which means that -1 is equal to b. Y-intercept is b. Now that I have found the y-intercept, I can write the equation. So let's write the equation in slope-intercept form. So the equation in slope-intercept form is y equal to 3/4x minus 1. Y equal to 3/4x minus 1. So we're given the slope. We found the y-intercept. Another way you can do this is by using the point slope formula. So this is method 1. This is case 1. Another method you can use to solve this problem, I'm going to clean this and solve it another way. So whenever you're told to find the slope, the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, you can do it in 2 ways. That's if you're given a point and the slope. So you can use the point slope formula. The point slope formula says y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. So this one is called the point slope formula. Point slope formula. So when you are using the point slope formula, you're already given a point and you're already given the slope. So you just have to plug in So the point given to me is 0 minus 1. So I have y minus, well, there is a minus in the equation, and y is minus. So minus minus 1 is equal to slope 3 over 4 into x minus 0. X minus 0 is x. Y minus minus 1 is y plus 1. And this, if I now open the parentheses, I have 3x over 4. Subtract 1 from both sides. So my equation is the same even when I did it with another method. So whichever method you use, y equal to 3x over 4 minus 1. In other words, whichever method you use, you get the same answer, provided you did it correctly. Whichever method you use, you get the same answer. So we're going to stop here. I'm going to stop here.